Alright, let's talk about the Xiaomi TV S Pro Mini LED. Is this thing the real deal, or is it just another flashy budget TV you'll regret buying? Here's the fast, honest review you need if you're eyeing your next living room upgrade. First up, the display. This isn't your average TV. We're talking about a QD Mini LED panel with a peak brightness of 1700 nits. That means crazy, vibrant highlights, and those deep, inky blacks that make OLEDs famous. Except this panel costs way less. The 55-inch version alone packs 408 local dimming zones. Translation? More precise contrast, more wow factor, especially if you love movies or sports. Gamers, you're not left out. The S Pro Mini LED isn't just for Netflix marathons, it's got a native 144Hz refresh rate, and with the right settings you can crank that up to 240 Hz, even 288 Hz in special modes. HDMI 2.1, VRR, AMD FreeSync Premium, yep, all the features you want for silky smooth action on the PS5 or Xbox Series X. Now, the smart side. The international models run Google TV, so you get a slick interface and access to more than 10,000 apps. Disney+, Netflix, YouTube, they're all there, and it runs fast. But hey, let's keep it real. There are a few things you should know. Some buyers are confused because international S Pro models might have different specs, like fewer dimming zones compared to the ones sold in China. Also, out of the box, the picture can look a bit too vivid. You'll want to tweak those settings for the best results. And a heads up, a few users have seen some banding or faint lines, mostly fixable with a software update. And then there's the Ethernet port. Weirdly, it's capped at 100 Mbps, so unless you're living for wired, Wi-Fi 6 is actually faster here. For sound, the built-in Harman Audio EFX is okay, but honestly, pair it with a soundbar for that real cinematic punch. So, is the Xiaomi S Pro Mini LED legit? Absolutely. You're getting flagship-level brightness, color, and speed at a price the big brands can't touch. It's not perfect, but if you're chasing value, this TV is hard to beat.